Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Gordon Guitar. Wish Week is smoking hot and going on here. And we have a song from ArrestedYouth. The song is called Leave My Casket Open. And it's you, too, Radiant, who wished for this song. So this is your wish. Hope you will enjoy this. And for all you ArrestedYouth fans, yeah, this is for you as well. So make sure you subscribe to this channel and get your songs here in the future, but also some other great songs. So yeah, let's move on with this tutorial. And we have a capo set here on the second fret. That is the setup. And with that, we have 4 easy chords. So this is the best scenario in my opinion. Capo on second. Let's go over the 4 chords. Starting now with C. All right, so that is third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. We have G next, and it goes third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, third E. We have A minor, open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. And the final chord is F. That's a bar chord, so you play the bar here on the first fret with the index finger, you bar all strings there, and then you need to add third frets on the A string, third on D, and second on G. So this is the chord progression from the beginning till the very end. That's how we're gonna play it: C, G, A minor, and F. Now, the final part is the strumming. So if you go to the first chord, the C, 1 string around, it's a pretty long one, it goes like this. Alright, so you're gonna start with down, down, up, clap. Okay, so down, short pause, and then down, up, clap. And then you continue with down, up, down, clap, down. So down, up, down, clap, down. So if you connect these 2 parts, it will be down, down, up, clap, down, up, down, clap, down. And a couple of rounds. Right, so there we have it. And you know what? We're gonna play only 1 string around per chord: C, G, A minor, and F from the beginning to the very end. It goes like this for a couple of rounds. Alright guys, so that is how you handle ArrestedYouth's Leave My Casket Open. So yeah, to Radiant, thank you for being here on Gordon Guitar, and you're welcome back. And all you who watch this tutorial, feel free to subscribe here to this channel, leaving a comment about what you want to have on this channel, your songs, perhaps it's your turn next time. So yeah, hope you enjoyed it guys. Until next time, play tuned.